Hello friends, this video discusses addition where regrouping is required. Now let us try to understand how regrouping helps us in addition. Suppose we are given to add two numbers 37 and 26, and these same numbers are represented by figures over here. So here we have got 37, so these blocks represent 30. There are 3 number of tens and 7 number of ones smaller blocks. Similarly, the second addend, that is 26, is represented as 2 number of tens blocks and 6 number of smaller ones blocks. First of all, let us count the ones digits over here. So here we have got 7 plus 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here we have got 13 number of the smallest blocks or the ones blocks. But we cannot write this 13 in the ones place. So what we can do, we can arrange these 13 blocks into a group of 10 and the remaining smaller blocks. So what actually I am telling is that let us take 10 blocks over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let us take 10 blocks over here, and so this we are taking 10 blocks, 10 smaller blocks, and putting it there in the tens place. So what I mean to say is that let me have a tens blocks over here. I am basically carrying this tens blocks to this tens position. We are grouping these 10 smaller blocks into one block of tens block. So I am cutting this down and putting this all together in one block. Basically 13 means 1 tens, 1 10 and 3 ones. So this 1 10 I am grouping it into a one block and taking it to the tens place. So we are remained with 3 blocks over here. So you see over here 7 plus 6 is 13, and I carry forward 1 tens to the tens place. So now you count the number of tens over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have got 6 tens, 6 number of tens blocks. So this is 6 tens, and here we are left with 3 ones. Why? We have regrouped the sum of the digits in the units place, so that we get extra 1 number of tens blocks, making it total 6. Similarly, you see over here 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 63. That is equal to 6 tens and 3 ones. This is basically the concept of carrying. This 1 is also called a carry. So 7 plus 6 is 13. As because we cannot write 13 as a whole in the units place, we have to carry forward this 1 to the tens place and add that particular carried digit with the digit in the tens place, getting the digit in the tens place. So the answer over here is 37 plus 26 is 63, which is basically equal to 6 number of tens and 3 ones, which we have verified pictorially over here also. Taking one more example of addition by regrouping, here we have got 3 digit numbers. The first addend is 100, this is 100, 5 tens and 7 ones, that is 157, and the second addend is 200, this is 100, this is 200, 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 7 tens and 5 ones, that is 275. So 157 and 275. The rule is to add the ones digit first. We have to move from right hand side, that is we have to add the units digit first. Say here we have got 7 small blocks or the unit blocks or the smallest block, whatever you can say, and in the second addend we have got 5 smaller blocks. So what is the total number? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the units place we have got 5 plus 7, this is 12. But we cannot write 12 as a whole in the units place. Therefore, what we are going to do? We are going to put this 1 over the tens digit. So this 1 is called the carry. Now the concept behind is that now I have taken a carry, I have put this 1 over the head of tens digit. What is the real meaning of this process? The process meaning is to be understood by all students. So here basically what we are doing, we are grouping these numbers, this total number of smaller blocks into a group of 10 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are grouping this into 10 blocks. We have grouped these smaller blocks into 1 tens blocks. So this will give an extra tens block. So let me take 1 tens blocks to the tens place. So these tens blocks are grouped into 1 tens blocks and carried to the tens place. So we are left with only 2 blocks in the units place. So we need not write 12 over here, but we need to write 2 in the units place as we have carried 1 to the tens place. The meaning of which is that we have carried 1 tens block to the tens place. So now we have got how many tens blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have got 13 tens over here. We have got 13 tens over here. So now again, similarly what we have done in the units place, we can regroup the tens place blocks into group of tens. What do I mean when I say, you please don't get confused. Let me again regroup these into 10 blocks of tens, that is say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can regroup, put all these group of tens or group of 10 smaller blocks into one block. So how many smaller blocks will be there? If we put all these, there will be 100 smaller blocks. 10 smaller blocks in each. So 10 number of tens makes 100. So we can put this 100 block over there in the hundreds place. Why? Because we cannot have total number of 10 block. How many total tens blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So again we cannot write 13 over here. Okay. So we are going to write only 3 in the tens place and putting all the tens blocks and make one group of 100 blocks. So basically there are 13 tens. You must be knowing from my class on regrouping that 13 tens is basically equal to 103 tens. So we are carrying forward this 100 to the hundreds place. So let me do this. Here you see I have put all these 100, all these blocks of tens into one block of 100. So I may cut this down. So we are left with 3 tens block. So we can write 3 tens over here, putting the 100 block in the hundreds place. So how many 100 blocks we are left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here in the hundreds place we have got 4 hundreds. So the answer is 400, 3 tens and 2 ones. You can see here also 7 plus 5 is 12, carrying 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 7 is 13. So 3. Then again, as we cannot write 13 over here, we carry forward 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So the answer is 400, 3 tens or 2 ones or or we can just say 432. So I am here to make you understand what is the basic principle behind this carry, why we take carry and what this has to do with regrouping. Please try to understand the concept behind doing anything in mathematics. The more you understand, the more you will be able to solve the questions of Olympiads intelligently. If our videos and website www.decodmonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.